Welcome, Grade 10 scholars, to the International Online School. It's time to explore Chapter 7 of our biology course, Man and His Environment, designed according to Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with Biology Chapter 7, Man and His Environment. In this overview, we dive into the ecosystem, flow of materials and energy in ecosystem, biogeochemical cycles, interactions in ecosystems, ecosystem balance and human impact, conservation of nature. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll start our journey with an overview of the ecosystem, explore the levels of ecological organization and the components that make up an ecosystem. Then we'll move on to our next section, flow of materials and energy in ecosystem, understand how materials and energy move through ecosystems, sustaining life. Our next topics will be biogeochemical cycles, dive into the carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle, essential processes that recycle elements in the biosphere. We'll also go through interactions in ecosystems, discover interactions like competition, predation, and symbiosis that shape ecological communities. Our next topics will be ecosystem balance and human impact. Learn about the impact of human activities such as population growth, urbanization, industrialization, and deforestation on ecosystem balance. We'll also go through conservation of nature, explore strategies for conserving nature and protecting biodiversity. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Finishing this course means not just doing well, but being the best, and your hard work, getting A+ grades is definitely what you can expect. So, let's get started with Chapter 7 as we begin this amazing biology journey, crafted for your success at the International Online School.